Hello everyone and welcome again to the tutorial session on angles. Today we are looking at polygons and we are going to look at two of the theorems for polygon. The first, we need to define what is a polygon. Polygon are closed plane figures which have straight lines for side. So first, there are many types of polygon. If it is a three-sided polygon, it is called a triangle. A four-sided is called a quadrilateral, and a five-sided is called a pentagon, and so on. So the two theorems we're going to do are the sum of the interior angles of a polygon equals to this formula, n minus 2 times 180, where n is equal to the number of sides. And the second one, the exterior angles of any polygon, could be 3 sides, 10 sides, 100 sides. They are all going to add up to 360 degrees. Okay, we shall look at some examples now. So for example, if we have a four-sided figure, this is called a quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral has four sides, and to make it simple, we are going to break that quadrilateral into a number of triangles. So if we were to cut into two, this is one triangle and two triangles. So if you have four sides, it gives you two triangles. And if you know that one triangle add up to 180, two triangles will add up to 360. So the formula will apply. So it becomes 4 minus 2, because 4 sides minus 2, and they will give you 2 times 180 degrees, because the formula is n minus 2 times 180. So in other words, if there are 5 sides, you can make the 3 triangles. We'll look at a more example now. The next shape we are looking at is a pentagon. So a pentagon has actually 5 sides. Okay, so 5 sides. So we can make, so there are 5 sides. In other words, we need to make as many triangles as possible. If we are to draw a triangle from the same point, it can be 1, 2, and 3. So the reason is that 5 minus 2 will give you 3 triangles. And each triangle is 180, so it's going to be 3 times 180 will give you 540 degrees. So the rule for the first theorem is called the sum of the interior angle of a polygon will add up to n minus 2 times 180. So we shall look at 2 examples now. So if we have in an exam a quadrilateral, and that is 119 degrees, that is 90 degrees, that is x, and that is 89 degrees. You want to find the value of x. So the first thing you need to do is simple. You need to know that it's a quadrilateral, so the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral or a polygon is made up of n minus 2 times 180. So there are 4 sides, so it becomes 4 minus 2 times 180, and the total is 360. So to find the unknown x, if the total is 360, so 360 minus 119 minus 90 and minus 89, and the answer is going to be 62 degrees. That is how you solve a polygon question. So I repeat, if they are 4-sided, you can break them down into 4 minus 2. So it will give you 2 times 180. The total of a polygon is 360, and then you minus 360 from the rest, and that's how you calculate x. Okay, now we look at another example. This time we're looking at a pentagon. So this is 90, the two sides is 90, and that is 119, that is another 90, and that is y. We're going to find y. So the first thing you need to know what is the sum of the total of a pentagon. So to use the formula, sum of interior angle of a pentagon. Since a pentagon has 5 sides, it's going to be 5 minus 2 minus times 180. So the answer is 3 times 180, and the answer is 540. So the total will be 540, and now it's simple. To get y, you just take y, it's 540 degrees, take away the rest, 90, take away 90, take away 90, and the last one is 119. If you put in your calculator, and the answer is going to be 151 degrees. That is how you calculate the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon. Okay, we will proceed. The other theorem you need to know is the exterior. Suppose we have a pentagon again. If we were to draw an exterior angle for each of the exterior angle means outside. So if I were to draw the outside of a pentagon, if I were to combine them, okay, if I were to draw that line and that line, that line, that line, and that line, so this angle is A, that angle is B, that is C, that is D, and that is E. If you look at it, that's E, sorry, that's D, so that's C, sorry, that must be B, and that must be A. If you combine all the external angle, you can see that they actually made up of angle at the point, so all the 3 angles add up to 360. So the theorem is exterior angle of a polygon, no matter how many sides you have, they are always going to add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so just look at one example. A simple example. If we have a quadrilateral, and this is 120 degrees, that is 80 degrees, that is 70 degrees, and you want to find that angle. So to calculate angle X, you need to know that they all add up to 360. So it's going to be angle X is going to be 360 minus 120 minus 80 minus 70. Add them up is 360 minus 270, and the answer is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, thank you, and hope you understand something about the Polygon theorem. See you.